Welcome to Gaming Fin, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the financial markets. And my friends, I haven't uploaded since long time, so I'm very sorry about this. Actually, in between, I was also investing into 3 new stocks, so I'm going to make a video about those 3 new stocks that I invested in from the gaming company world tomorrow. And I read so much about gaming companies, and I found so many interesting investments. I also want to continuing to with my gaming company portfolio that I want to show you. So all the gaming companies I'm invested in, also with the real amount of dollars, of euros that I have in. So I think that's the way how you should do it as a YouTuber. You should always be transparent. Also, talking about transparency, I'm invested in Ubisoft. Also, you find in the description of this video also other companies I'm invested in. Also, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a retail investor, YouTuber. This is for information and entertainment purposes only. Please don't buy those stocks, because you can actually lose a lot of money. And hey, talking about losing money, let's go and talk about Ubisoft Entertainment, a stock I'm still massively down. So let's have a little update on Ubisoft. Why I'm doing this update, I mean, there's so many other interesting stocks I can talk about. So guys, I mean, I want to talk about all of them, and that's mostly the problem when I start making those videos. I want to talk about Ubisoft, I want to talk about Paradox Interactive, I want to talk about CD Projekt, I want to talk about so many stocks. But today we're talking only in this video about Ubisoft, because I know a lot of you guys are also invested and you're also very interested in some news. And guys, I have very good news. And what are the news? Far Cry 6 finally came out on Steam, and it's rated mostly positive, 73% positive. And if I look on my activity feed on Steam, I see so many people that bought this game, and this is a backlog catalog game, meaning Ubisoft is making money still now with Far Cry 6 on the Ubisoft on the Steam launcher, and that's pretty cool. So maybe not a lot of people will buy it, but I purchased it even myself now for 36 euros. I purchased the game, the year edition, and I'm very sure that also a lot of my Steam friends also purchased the game of the year edition. So you see already now we have 7,549 people online right now. That's okay for an old game. This game, I mean, is old, like 1 year old, and it's still actually doing well and people enjoy it. So of course you have some negativity, but it also runs perfectly fine. See, so let's go to the chart. Let's have a look at this beautiful chart, guys. So I have to admit, so I'm actually on the fence to get some more Ubisoft. So when do I get more Ubisoft? So probably I'm waiting that it's falling down again a little bit. So now we had a little run up now of 36%, a little run up. I mean, that's crazy. So I bought some more stocks here around about 19 euros, not a lot. So it does not really change by averaging down. It doesn't really change my position. So I'm still down around about, I think it was around about 30, 40. So check this again. So not a lot of news. Activision Blizzard, we also know it's still Activision Blizzard is process of being acquired or not. So that's of course the big question. So, but therefore Ubisoft and also other French gaming companies like Naked and Bigben Interactive are also actually performing quite decent recently. So I have to admit this. So is this now the movement of the stock that we were expecting? Is this the rebound of the stock? So very difficult to say. I mean, here we are now at 26, and they are 26, 26, 28. This is the range where probably is some resistance. We can see already there's a resistance, because it's also just today or just in the recent days it went down to 0.9%, guys. So in the last 5 days, 3.66% in the 5 days. Could be possible that we are falling down again a little bit into this range from 18, 19 euros to 22 euros. Do I personally think we can go lower than 19 euros? Guys, I always said this. We can always go lower. We can go to 18, 17 euros, so 15 euros. So probably this is all in the realm of possibility. So I don't think we found a floor, a bottom now yet here in the stock. So this is just a little pump up. doesn't mean that we're going down. So, but the news, I have to say, the news on the games coming to Steam is pretty good. And also we have another news here. So Ubisoft is also laying off 60s of its employees. So that's very sad news for the employees. This means they can also save some costs. That's important in these times, of course, but also for those people, of course, it's very, very sad. So you know the story, so it's not cool. Also Amazon, Microsoft, Facebook, Meta, they're all laying off people. And then on a little bit better news, because that's actually the sad news with people getting laid off. We're going to have the Ubisoft Forward live from LA on June the 12th. That's very cool. So, and maybe we get some very cool new announcement for games. So guys, this is going to be looking forward to this. Hopefully we're going to see some announcement for the Assassin's Creed games. And just imagine, look, the new announcements for the Assassin's Creed games would look so fantastic. Imagine this. Would definitely mean positive momentum for the stock, because we know it's going to be not profitable for the whole year. So I think it was 2023 they said they're not going to be profitable. So they were profitable 2022, but also they're not going to be for 2023. So that's what they said. So, and then I hope we're coming back to a positive profit, net income, and maybe we can even grow at one point. This would be something. Alright guys, so I'm leaving it here. Short video about Ubisoft Entertainment, and I wanted to say hello again to you, because I know I didn't upload, I don't upload so regularly on this channel, but I prefer actually future to upload more on this channel and a little bit less on my gaming channel, since I stopped seeing actually there's a lot of momentum in some gaming stocks, mostly also to the upside, and I want to share this with you. So as I said, not a financial advisor, me not financial advisor. You are watching this for entertainment and information purposes only, guys. You make your own research. That's very important, because I'm also something I have to tell you. So I'm trading also recently a bit more, so day trading, and this means, guys, just lost today in Tesla trade a lot of money. So see, it's a nasty game out there. It's a nasty game out there. So I have my long-term investments, but I'm trading, and in tradings sometimes they go really bad, and then I'm really sad with myself. But we can learn through the mistakes. We learn and we get better. And today was definitely also a very difficult day for Tesla to trade. So still having also here again, no financial advice, guys. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.